Sturi, as working with, as you work for another Russian company, and what is your take on this Russian fishery MSC situation? Is it possible the situation can be resolved? And if not, what do you expect the market impact to be? And will it cause a further widening of the premium between MSC and non-MSC, pricing in the future? So multiple questions, but all connected, I guess.
I guess that we probably haven't heard the last of this Russian fishery issue, but we're going from the assumption that they have lost their MSC certification, and I have no other information in that regard. So I think they will be without MSC certification next year at least. And they being one of the biggest suppliers of block from Russia, that will clearly have a significant impact on the market. What the exact impact is going to be is open for speculation, so it's always difficult to say. But before we had this issue, we already had a big difference between MSC and non-MSC in price. That probably had to do mostly with the problems in food service, because the non-MSC is probably more reliant on the food service segment. So maybe that's partly COVID related. So further down the line, that will probably even out a bit. But for this situation with Russian Sea, it will definitely have an impact. And as Klaus alluded to, there will be more non-MSC. There will probably be both more non-MSC block produced and more non-MSC H&G. So I would expect that the gap between non-MSC and MSC will probably remain, but the balance there in between, it's actually difficult to predict what's going to happen. But the impact will be probably significant.